Good morning. Are you Sarah?
Yes, I am. Good morning. Are you James?
That's right. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too.
So, you want to see the apartment?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a new place.
Great! Let me show you. It's on the 3rd floor.
Okay. Does the building have an elevator?
Yes, it does. The elevator is over there.
That's good. I don't like stairs. How old is this building?
It's 5 years old. It's quite new.
I see. How many apartments are there?
There are 20 apartments in total.
Are they all rented?
No, 2 apartments are empty now.
Which floors are they on?
One is on the 3rd floor, and one is on the 5th floor.
I prefer lower floors. The third floor is perfect.
Good choice. Here we are. Welcome. This is the living room.
Oh, it's very bright. I like it.
Yes, it has big windows. You get a lot of sunlight.
How big is this room?
It's about 25 square meters.
That's nice. Is the furniture included?
No, the apartment is unfurnished. You need your own furniture.
I understand. What about the walls? Can I paint them?
You need to ask the owner first, but usually it's okay.
Good to know.
This is the kitchen. It's fully equipped.
It looks modern. Is everything new?
The kitchen was renovated last year. Everything works perfectly.
Great. Is there a dishwasher?
Yes, there is. And there's also a microwave.
What about the refrigerator?
The refrigerator is included too. It's quite large.
Perfect. I cook a lot. Is the stove electric or gas?
It's electric, very easy to clean.
I prefer electric stoves. This is really nice.
Here's the bedroom. It faces the quiet street.
It's peaceful. I need quiet for sleeping.
The windows have double glass. Very little noise comes in.
Excellent. Is there a closet?
Yes, there's a built-in closet here.
Oh, it's big. I have many clothes.
There's enough space for everything.
Can I put a desk here?
Of course. Many tenants work from home.
That's exactly what I need.
This is the bathroom.
Is there a bathtub?
No, but there's a nice shower.
That's fine. I prefer showers anyway.
The water heater is new. You always have hot water.
Good. What about the water pressure?
The pressure is excellent. No problems at all.
Is there a place for a washing machine?
Yes, right here next to the sink.
Perfect. This bathroom is very practical.
And this is the balcony.
Oh, what a lovely view.
Yes, you can see the park from here.
I love it. How big is the balcony?
It's about 8 square meters.
Can I put plants here?
Absolutely. Many tenants have plants.
Is it safe for pets?
Yes, the railing is high enough.
Wonderful. I have a small cat. What about pets? Are they allowed?
Small pets are okay. Cats and small dogs.
Great. My cat is very quiet.
That's fine. What else would you like to know?
Can I have guests stay over?
Yes, but not for long periods. Maximum 2 weeks.
I understand. What about parties?
Small gatherings are fine, but quiet after 10 p.m.
Of course. I'm not a party person.
Good. The neighbors appreciate that.
What facilities does the building have?
There's a gym in the basement.
Really? That's amazing.
Yes, and it's free for all tenants.
What about parking?
There's underground parking. 1 space per apartment.
Is it secure?
Very secure. You need a special card to enter.
What about bicycle storage?
There's a bike room near the entrance.
This building has everything. Now, let's talk about the rent.
The rent is $1,200 per month.
Does that include utilities?
No, utilities are separate. About $150 monthly.
What does that cover?
Water, heating, and building maintenance.
What about electricity and internet?
You pay those separately. You choose your providers.
I see. Is there a security deposit?
Yes, 2 months' rent as deposit.
That's $2,400 then.
The minimum lease is 1 year.
Can I extend after 1 year?
Of course, most tenants stay longer.
What if I need to leave early?
You give 2 months' notice.
Do I get my deposit back?
Yes, if there's no damage to the apartment.
That sounds fair.
We do an inspection when you leave.
I always take good care of my home. What about the neighbors?
They're mostly young professionals, very friendly.
Are there families with children?
A few, but the building is generally quiet.
How's the neighborhood?
Very safe. There's good public transport nearby.
Where's the nearest supermarket?
Just 5 minutes walk. There's also a pharmacy.
What about restaurants?
Many options. The area is quite popular.
I really like this apartment.
I'm glad to hear that.
Can I think about it?
Of course. Take your time.
How long do I have to decide?
I'd suggest within a week. It's popular.
Other people are interested?
Yes, I have 2 more viewings tomorrow.
I see. Can I call you with questions?
Anytime. Here's my business card.
One more thing. When is it available?
From the 1st of next month.
That's perfect timing for me.
Excellent. Anything else?
Can I take some photos?
Sure, that might help you decide.
Thank you. You've been very helpful.
My pleasure. It's my job.
I'll definitely call you soon.
I'll wait for your call. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Sarah.